Have you ever dreamed of the number 8? Well, today we're decoding what it means when this powerful number appears in your dreams. Welcome back to our series where we explore how numbers represent the evolution of a thought. We've journeyed from 1 to 7, and now we arrive at 8, the number of self-value. By the time a thought reaches the stage of 8, it's no longer just an idea, it's actively shaping your reality. Let's say your original thought was, I want a new job. By the time you reach an 8, you likely have a job offer in hand. You can clearly see the value this thought has brought into your life, the new salary, the benefits, the better hours. It's tangible. The thought has manifested value. But what if the thought was negative? Like, I hate my job. The process is the same. At 2, you'd find more reasons to dislike it. By 6, your performance might slip because you no longer care. By 7, you're imagining quitting. Then, at 8, you get fired. On the surface, it looks like something was taken away. But from a broader perspective, space has been created for something new. The universe has pushed you to seek a better situation, creating an urgent need for that new job. Whether you're a positive or negative thinker, the outcome is the same. Your thoughts create your reality. The positive thinker sees their conscious creation, while the negative thinker might feel like a victim of circumstance. But in both cases, their thoughts paved the way. So when an 8 shows up in your dream, it's a direct call to examine your self-value. Everything in your dream is an aspect of you, so the 8 is about valuing yourself. Your power to manifest with just your thoughts is incredibly valuable. This brings up a crucial question. What do you truly value in your life? Your attention is your most precious currency. Where are you spending it? What is capturing your focus? Are you in control of where your attention goes? Take a moment to inventory what you focus on each day. This will give you profound insight into what you genuinely value. Understanding the numbers in your dreams can unlock incredible clarity. Each number tells a part of your story. If you're ready to dive deeper and get true clarity on any dream you've had, check out the Cheetah Dream Decoder. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we discuss the number 9 completion. Don't forget to like and subscribe.